Hi, this is the HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see ring, media and alarms volume panel, and just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. We could activate and turn off the silent mode with the help of the switcher, the vibration in silent mode, to activate and turn off the don't disturb mode, to change phone ringtone, vibration for calls with the help of the switchers, to change default notification sounds, and in most sound settings we got here the dial by sounds, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, tap sounds, vibration on tap, and power on the power off sounds just by click on each of the switchers. And also you could here use the emergency broadcasts and to change the settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.